We are going down to pick up the Lamborghini Huracan. I promised you guys that just a couple seconds ago, and here we are going to do it. I have the chest behind me full to the brim with the 50,000 pennies. Hopefully this guy actually gives it to me because he doesn't know that I'm paying with pennies. I have your money. It's in my car. I didn't want to just, it seemed like a little sketchy area.
That's okay. It is a little sketchy, bro. Be careful. I got snipers all over.
All right.
What is that?
50,000 pennies, dude.
Oh, God.
50,000 pennies. There's rolls in there. I literally unburied this yesterday.
Unburied from where?
It was in Del Mar. Like, I literally unburied this yesterday. I wasn't kidding, dude. Dude, like, I literally like
you found it?
Yeah, like it was a treasure hunt on TikTok, and
this is
try
cool.
Lifting it.
Oh, dude, I don't want to look weak on camera.
This guy's literally gonna rent the Lamborghini, and he pulled up with 50,000 pennies to pay us with. Look at this. Oh, bro, this is fucking.
Oh my God, bro.
God,
my banker's gonna be upset at me. I've not paid a penny into this car.
I got penny.
Oh my gosh.
That was like quarter throttle! It's a G-rated channel! Holy my gosh! Holy! Oh my gosh! I'm literally lost for words right now. We are literally pulling up to my... We're pulling up to my parents' house right now.
How was it?
Oh, you slammed the door.
I forgot for a ride.
I can't hear you. What? What on earth?
He turned 21.
Hey, oh, that made my day. No. The funny thing is from my point of view, you can't see the turn signal, so you have to look at that one. I missed like so many different lights, and I don't go right away because you literally just don't notice. He doesn't know I'm in the Lambo. We're just gonna show you the
There's a car behind you.
No, there's not. 3, 2, 1. Now that's launch control, Bob. I can't wait till I buy this, and this is like every day. Yeah, I was like, the reason why I didn't want to rent it from you the first time I bailed from you is because I was like, renters are dreamers. If you buy it, those are achievers.
That's
now
right.
It's like,
but then you're like, I gotta go rent it.
well, no, it's like I need to. I have the pennies. I'm like, what's the wildest thing? And everyone's clickbait, dude.
They were free.
Bro, you just test driving to see what you're gonna get.
Right?
Exactly.
That's what you're doing.
Exactly.
Just test
I had the windows down literally the entire time, and I was like, does the air conditioning even work?
Oh, hell yeah,
and then
it
I was
works.
like, I turned it on, and I was like, wait, how do I turn it off? And I spent like 5 minutes.
Press it and hold it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude, I still can. It's on low.
Super.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because Like literally, I'm doing this content for you. So you guys have to figure this out, and you guys have to subscribe if you want me to keep doing this crazy content. I'm just saying. All right, without further ado, I will see you guys tomorrow on the next one. With nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.